Hello, I'm Alistair from TrouDigital, and today I'm going to show you how to use our Web Page Widget to show live web pages across your screens. The Web Page Widget is a great way to show live web pages, contact forms, and even live data dashboards. To use our Web Page Widget, simply open up a new slide, and in the Widgets menu, navigate down to the Web Page Widget icon, which is this globe here. Click, drag and drop it onto the design canvas, resize it appropriately, and all that we need to do now is paste in our URL of the web page that we want to show on our screens. So we have one that's done already, but make sure that your web page widget is selected, and that will bring up the web page widget specific options on the right hand side here. In the URL box, paste in the URL that you want to show, and then click preview. And as you can see, within a couple seconds, our live web page is showing. This content is actually live on our site right now. And if we back out, there's one more option that I'd like to show you. So we also have the option, once the widget's selected, to set a reload interval. So if you have a web page that's updating quite consistently throughout the day, showing live information that's important to your audience, what you can do is you can set the reload interval to as many minutes as you like. So for example, you can set it to 15. And what that means is that every 15 minutes, that web page is going to be reloaded and re-updated on your screens. So they're getting the latest, freshest content as often as you like. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all you need to know about the web page widget. Any more questions, contact our support team. And yeah, thank you.